Hi, Captain Chris here. I'd like to give you a little sample of what you can learn in our Introduction to Boat Systems classes. This is a fuel filter. These are the actual elements that go inside the fuel filter. You can see this is black. I spray painted it for the demo, but that's dirty. And you can see it's red. I also spray painted that because that's a clean filter in US off-road diesel fuel, which is dyed red for that purpose. Other things to look at is the blue ink. It's a 10 micron filter size, and this brown one is a 2 micron filter size. And both of these, one at a time, will go inside of this model 500 Raycor fuel filter. Unscrew the T-handle on the top, pull the cap off, and then you can put a new filter element inside. Wiggle it down, prime it full of diesel fuel, put the lid back on top, and then screw the T-handle back down, and don't forget to turn on the diesel fuel so you don't starve the engine. So this is just a simple sample of what we teach in our Introduction to Boat Systems classes. Join us in November 2024. Ask Captain Chris.